Good morning from Burtness Chrysler Dodge Jeep and Ram here in Whitewater, Wisconsin. I'm just going to give you a good look around the 2014 Ford F150. So this one is a 5-liter V8. You can see it's a nice clean truck. New tires. Go along a little further out here so you can get a good look at the entire truck here. It does have the steps already on it. Now this one does have a bed liner. I believe it's a tough liner. Power driver seat. It's just a nice truck. 105,000 miles, I believe, on it. Dark interior. It is the FX4 off-road. And again, it does have a spray-in tough liner on it. It's just also got a bed mat in it. Give you a view of the tailgate here. It does have the tow package. Flex fuel capable. This is a one owner, to verify it on the Carfax. They took good care of it. It's a nice truck. It's available here again at Burtness Chrysler Dodge Jeep and Ram in Whitewater, Wisconsin. Phone number 262-473-8080. Give us a call and ask for Shane or Matt. Thank you so much. Have a good day.